Repeatedly testing the same level of support, especially over the longer term timeframes, confirms that we have accurately identified an existing support zone. It therefore strengthens our conviction that it's good support range. However, repeatedly testing support in the short term can weaken the strength of the support by selling through the existing book of buyers, leading to buyer exhaustion. However, price swiftly returns to the same level. Each time the price returns to the support range is called a test, and each test eats through more and more of the backlog of buyers. Because there has not been much time between each test, there's also not been enough time to bring in new buy pressure to the market. As the order book thins, the support becomes weaker and weaker, and eventually all the buyers in the support level have their orders filled, and that means the sellers have broken through the support range, opening up the path for a continuation of the downwards price trend.